Hi, my name's Pam Daisy. I'm a registered dietitian and a certified lactation consultant with the Marion County Public Health Department. The question is, what's the best way to get my baby latched onto my breast? Well, we have a great video for you to watch that shows very clearly how to latch your baby, but some things that you want to keep in mind is you want to make sure that your baby's mouth is wide open when you bring her onto your breast. You want to kind of line up her nose with your nipple, and that assures that from that position, she's coming onto your breast kind of asymmetrically, and that helps also for her head to be able to tip back, which leaves a nostril open for her to breathe. Take a look at the video.